What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We are getting back on our big wheel bagger, our first big wheel bagger we've done on the video. So right now we're going to go ahead and get our parts bike stripped down. First thing we need to do is start getting our primary off so we can pull our motor and transmission, and then we'll continue on with the harness. But let's go ahead and get started on it. I've already taken the bolt out of my shift lever here, so I'm going to pull that one out. We can start pulling out our primary bolts, and these are all different lengths. Let's go ahead and get our nuts loose. That's what we'll do first. I'm going to take the clip out of the transmission, the clutch actuator, and we'll take both of our nuts loose. Transmission nut is opposite thread, so you tighten it up to loosen it up. I can just do this with the impact without having to use this, but this is like a tool that we made, just cut up a cutting board and it wedges in there, so if you don't have an impact it'll keep it from spinning. Now we can go ahead and take apart our all these bolts have little locking tabs on them to keep them from spinning out in here. So we'll go ahead and take a screwdriver and hammer all those out so that we can get our bolts loose, and then we'll take our starter loose. Starter loose. We'll go ahead and do that.
I'm going to go ahead and pop in here while he's at a stopping point. See what you guys think. We would love your opinion. We're getting to either 20,000 or 25,000. We're thinking about doing another giveaway like we did last time with the wheel. But we're kind of looking for ideas, suggestions. Would you guys want to do that? And if so, what would you want us to do the giveaway for? Leave us some comments below and let us know.
Alright, got all my stuff unplugged up here. I guess we can go ahead and start taking our engine and transmission bolts loose. Engine out. Time to pull the transmission out. Trying to get our transmission out. I still got a speed sensor connector I got to pull out, and I think that's about it. But the connector is behind where the computer sits. Before I get transmission fluid all over me, I'm going to go ahead and put this side cover back on it. So if I tilt it over towards me, it don't get all over the place. Go ahead and pull off our swing arm. I guess I'm going to go ahead and we'll pull out the battery and start getting the harness loose and separated from the bike. At this point, I'm just trying to loosen stuff up so I can get the harness fed through there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull this harness through here. I think I got pretty much everything loosened up. And I got our brake stuff already all unbolted. We'll just keep all this together to go on the new bike. So while I had the motor out, I went to go ahead and put rocker cover gaskets on and cam chest cover gaskets. So we found out it has this, the upgraded cam plate and oil pump, so it has hydraulic tensioner guides in it and adjustable push rods. And also it's got a set of cams in it too, so it's kind of a plus. Didn't know it had. So I guess we'll go ahead and pull the forks off. I'm just going to try to take the top trees off and then set the rest of the forks down. Cool. I think we're done. All right, y'all. We appreciate y'all watching this video. The new wheel comes in today, so in the next video we should be starting to get that frame together. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything off to paint right now, so that way then we can actually just start assembling the bike all together. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.